find your again.
Ginagawa ko lang nandun na siya. Pag ginagawa ko lang nandun. Naayos na
Tell her I love her. Telling sorry about things I done.
Kabisado!
Kabisado
I spend this time making wrong
Para kanino daw yan?
Ayan yan. Para kanino? Lex, sa ulo yung kanta.
She looks so happy in her wedding dress. But she's privacy was saying,
May nanalo na kasi sa ulo.
boy, I miss your kisses. All the promises played by the minutes you made. Don't you
Parang yung mga kwento dati, magagaling ko.
boy, I'm sorry you're played by the minutes you made. Please don't wait.
Pwede naman.
I'm going
Kuya
home again. Wishing me back to the time when we were more than
Ayan po ang aming kabrad. Ang aming kasamahan. Kuya Jun Robles, 25 minutes.
place in town where I She looks so happy in her wedding dress.
Yes.
That's this driver she was saying yes.
Oo nga.
Boy, I miss your kiss. All the
Natutuwa lang ako kay Kuya Jun kasi talagang ano siya.
Boy, I'm rather so boy, I'm sorry you are playing by the
Sayang wala si Kuya Ted yan eh.
How in this street
Hindi sila kumpletong tatlo.
is what honey have nothing to leave.
Ang ingay ko po guys.
Inside my head, still I can't
Madami po kami kulang, di po kami nakompleto.
to say. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is playing by
May ilan pala dito eh.
today. Don't you have someone? Boy, I'm sorry you're playing by the minutes today. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is playing by the
Dami na ang pagkain guys.
Don't you have someone? Boy, I'm sorry you're playing by the minutes today. This thing you're saying.
Oh, shout out naman kuya, shout out.
Anong favorite ko na ito pang name?
Ayan, shout out.
Hello, Ezra.
Kaya kakabala si Kuya Juan.
Ayan na po, may isa pa.
Pa, last na.